So the Apple iPhone 11 leaks have started emerging at a very early stage. The company is still working on the design aspect of the upcoming premium lineup that should come out with some very different touches. I personally find a lot of sense here, as the company needs to follow a better strategy that focuses on each and every aspect of iPhone. For better understanding, just look at this graph. Now, OnLeaks has become a major supplier of iPhone leaks right now. It just shared some pictures that imagine iPhone 11 view, but we are just looking at a render based on the EVT stage, and the so-called theory of design may go in a complete different direction. To support this statement, I have a very different look for the iPhone 11. These renders belong to the same source, and as you can see, we have a horizontal triple camera arrangement at the middle of this upcoming, and it looks like the LG V40 with a different placement for the LED flash. On the front, we have a smaller notch and the bezels are again trimmed down to just give a better experience in terms of display area. The overall design looks better than the previous one, and with that premium Apple iPhone touch, this will look beautiful. At the same time, we should take this as a pinch of salt for now, just because of the EVT stage where things change at any point. According to a Japanese publication Mac Otakara, the iPhone 11 could sport a USB Type-C port. The information comes from industry suppliers, and the major supporter of this info is the 2018 iPad Pro that comes with a USB Type-C port, which is also a first-time thing in iPad's history. We all want that particular change for iPhones, as it's the most convenient way to charge or connect your smartphone. Otherwise, we just have to depend on some previous stuff out there. The USB Type-C is currently the most appreciated approach in smartphones industry, as it's fast, easier to plug in, and the best thing to carry power. For those who are involved in Apple ecosystem, it's great to have all those premium products with USB Type-C support. Additionally, there are some rumors about an all-new iPod Touch arrival this year, which doesn't sound so reliable, as most of the iPod line has been discontinued and the consumers have started adopting the smartphones world. But it will be interesting to see a new launch this year, and yeah, the iPhone 11 is gonna get 5G, in-display fingerprint scanner, an improved version of Face ID, a smaller notch with complete design change. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.